octal to hexadecimal conversion. So we will see how a octal number is converted to its hexadecimal. There are two methods to convert an octal value to hexadecimal. So method 1. So first we convert octal decimal, then convert this decimal equivalent to hexadecimal. This is one method. And the second method is converting octal to its binary equivalent and converting this binary equivalent to hexadecimal. So I think the second one is the easiest way, because converting octal to decimal means we need to take the powers of 8 and we will get a decimal value. After that this decimal is to be divided with the 16. So it is a lengthiest process. So this is a bit easier. We can convert octal to its binary with 3 bits and then grouping down this binary with the 4 bits we get the equivalent hexadecimal digit. So this is the easiest way. So we will see the method 2. In method 2, conversion of octal to hexadecimal, there are 2 steps. Step 1, first converting octal to binary equivalent. And in step 2, this binary is to be converted to hexadecimal by grouping down this binary with 4 bits to get a hexadecimal. So let us see it with an example. Example is convert 615, an octal value, to its equivalent hexadecimal. First convert octal to binary. So write it separately. 615, start from LSB. So this 5 can be written as 3 bits into its equivalent binary. So each single digit can be represented with 3 bits into its binary. So 5 is written as 101 and 1 can be written as 001. 6 is 110. By taking with the powers of 2 and simplifying, you will get 615 only. So write it together. 110, 001, 101. So octal to binary conversion is done. So now step 2, binary to hexadecimal. So in binary to hexadecimal, we need to group down 4 bits from right to left, that is from LSB to MSB. So 1011 grouped as one group and 0001, and 1 is left. You can proceed with 3 zeros to make it as a group. So this is one group. So 1101 is 13. So there is nothing but D. 100 means, or 0001 means 2 power 3 is nothing but 8, and this is 1. So equivalent hexadecimal is 18D. So in this way a octal to hexadecimal conversion is done, first by converting octal to binary and then binary to hexadecimal. Similarly, a hexadecimal is converted to octal first by converting a hexadecimal to binary, and then binary is converted to octal. So let us see it with an example. Convert 25B, a hexadecimal, to its equivalent binary. So convert in the step 1, convert 25B hexadecimal to binary. So 25B, B is nothing but 11. So 11 is represented as 1011, 8 plus 2 plus 1, and 5 is represented as 0101 and 2 is represented as 0010. So this is the binary equivalent 0010, 0101, 1011. Step 2. Convert this binary to its equivalent octal. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So grouping first 3 bits as a group and next 3 bits, next 3 bits and next 3 bits. So writing it into equivalent octal. So 0, 1, 1 means 3, 3, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 3, 3 is the equivalent octal. This is the octal representation of the hexadecimal value. That is 25B is converted to octal as 1133. This is base 8.